How to use Monday.com for project management. You can get a great head start with pre-built boards from the Template Center. Find template packages with multiple boards, connections, and automations, allowing you and your team to hit the ground running. Use a workform to capture project ideas, feedback, or requests from anywhere. Assign owners. Set budgets. And move requests through approval stages, all in one place. This is your team's hub to manage daily deliverables with clarity. Add task owners. Set timelines. Add files. Visually track it all within the Gantt view. Super helpful for zooming out and spotting overlaps. Monday.com is a work management platform used to plan projects, assign tasks, and track progress with visual boards and automation. It's helpful for teams that need structure and collaboration. That's it. Thanks for watching.